You're watching Explorer Vacations. Today, we're strolling through the heart of Paris, making our way towards an icon known the world over, the magnificent Eiffel Tower. As we approach, imagine the sheer ambition that brought this iron marvel to life. Built for the 1889 World's Fair, commemorating the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution, the Eiffel Tower was initially met with mixed reactions. Many criticized its modern design, calling it an eyesore. Yet Gustave Eiffel's masterpiece, once intended to be temporary, quickly became a symbol of French ingenuity and a testament to the power of human spirit. At over 1,000 feet tall, it was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 40 years. Think about the thousands of iron pieces and millions of rivets meticulously assembled to create this incredible feat of engineering. From the very top, Eiffel himself had a small apartment where he conducted meteorological and astronomical observations. Today, as we walk beneath its soaring arches, the whispers of its past mingle with the vibrant energy of present-day Paris. It's a place where history, art, and innovation converge, captivating millions of visitors each year. Come experience this enduring wonder for yourself. And now, we're going to stop talking and start walking.
Grazie, banda mezz'ora due.
Tudo vestido, mas eu comprei pra acordar. Tudo vestido de... Tem às vezes menina linda. Você vê? Às vezes tem uma menina. Uma feia. Mas, ó, você vê um estilo. Pode lá, tem mais de 5
Casei com a putaria, lavando no pagar a pimentada, ninguém se maluca. Faltou comida em casa, eu procuro na rua. Eu sou cachorro nato, bebê aturo assim. No barão, quero que eu sou zidônica. Mas come dele, só deu parte do sua roupa vecina. Ele dá revoada nas madrugadas, mal do sabe. O de
ya está, corriendo. Pega más.
Papando ali já.
For travel ideas about Paris and more, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have